everyone, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Jamie, and welcome back to our channel.
If you didn't know already, this channel is all about how to make amazing things out of everyday materials.
And today, we're going to be making something amazing from a milk bottle.
So in today's video we're going to show you how to make a sandwich box from a milk bottle. And I've wanted to do this for a long time because both girls take packed lunches to school or just sandwiches, and I never have anything to put them in.
The trouble with lunch boxes for our girls is they're too big and they don't have room to fit them in their bag because their school bags are already full of loads of school stuff.
So this make is something that we are certainly going to use.
Today we're doing a top-down make.
Let's remake it.
So that's the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed it.
I hope we've inspired you to make your own lunch boxes out of milk bottles. So easy but so practical.
There's also lots of modifications that you can make to the basic sandwich box from a milk bottle.
Yeah, have a go yourself. You can actually customise these, you could sew, you can embroider, you could stick things on. And if you do make one of these yourselves, please, if you have Instagram, share on your story and tag us and we will share on our story.
And also, if you've got any suggestions for materials or objects that you'd like to see us transform and make over, then let us know in the comments.
Okay, so hope you enjoyed our video. Let us know in the comments what you thought of it and we'll see you again soon.
Bye!
Bye!